A very good morning. We'll start with a series for NET examination, some of the most important questions that we would be practicing, including the contemporary problems. So stay tuned for the series of lectures. We'll be covering 5 questions in every video. So let's begin with the very first question. Now, new education policy has been very important. So what are the proposed shifts in the 2020 new education policy towards the kind of assessment in higher education? Now, the choices have been given. The most important thing is the idea under the new national education policy is based on formative assessment, which talks about a continuous comprehensive evaluation which tracks the progress of the students and give proper feedbacks for improvement. So one of the major changes under new education policy, very important. The next is under again the new education policy. Since I am saying that this is a very important topic, questions have been asked from this in the past past examination of December as well. So the next talks about under the recommendation of new education policy regarding the medium of instruction for primary education or primary schooling. Now, mother tongue has been talked about as the medium of instruction wherever possible, and the stress is basically in the early years, the formative years. This leads to better cognitive development. So again, an important question. Go through the idea, the concepts very carefully. Again, under the same policy, we are talking about Academic Credit Bank, ABC. Now, we have covered a complete lecture on ABC and the National Skill Qualification Framework, NSQW, QF. So, those are two of the very important topics often asked for your NET examination. You can check out the complete video on doorstep in our complete lecture series. Now, this topic, this ABC, what it does, it basically creates a bank where you can store all the credits that you have generated from, let's say, Swayam courses, from your own courses. So it facilitates the mobility of students across various higher educational institutions. Let's say in a case a student is not able to complete a degree at the university they have reached because of some medical issue, because of some family issue, they can go back to their native place, cover few of the courses there, and again they would get deposited in the ABC, right? So this would help them digitally store the academic credits, allowing them to transfer credits as and when required across universities in certain cases of emergency or requirement. So this facility was not available before, and under the Academic Bank of Credit, this has been initiated. Very important topic. The next is, which is not directly related to promotion of digital learning. So Swayam definitely talks about digital learning. Under the National Digital Library of India, you have the major journals, the major researches, the major publications, the major examinations, their papers, the e-books available. So again, an initiative of digital. E-governance in higher education, as the name suggests, it is e-governance, so definitely it goes digital, right? So Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is one which is so far exempted from promotion of digital education. However, through NDLI, through the National E-Governance Plan, through Swayam, digital learning has been promoted. So C is the correct choice here. The last question for this set we would discuss is the idea of holistic development under new education policy. So holistic development not just focuses on academic pursuit of a student, but it also focuses on ethical aspects, the physical, cultural, social, cognitive, emotional aspects. So understanding of a topic, getting well versed with the real life scenario are some of the important things that have been part of the holistic development. So those were some of the important questions from new education policy that we have discussed. Comprehensive understanding of new education policy is really important, because we have seen lots and lots of questions in the recent past based on the national education policy, or what I'm saying as new education policy. Yes, to practice more, to have a comprehensive understanding on the lectures, notes and questions, you can refer onto the link here. The contact number is given here. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back, and you can also avail the postal material at your home for all those topics in totality. So thanks for joining in. Have a great day.